What's going on, guys? Mike with NRG Creative. I am up here in the woods in Citrus County hitting some trails with the Jeep and mainly testing this mount out here with this GoPro. So wanted to test it out, put it through some paces. Yeah, I'm hitting these trails pretty fast. It seems to be holding up really well. I wanted to get some shots of another Jeep behind me or a truck, but you know how it is trying to find reliable people to ride with. Just doesn't happen. If you're waiting for somebody to ride or go in a group, you might go out a couple times a year. I go out all the time. Same with the Jeep, same with the jet ski. Let me show you this mount. So there's the mount. It just really snaps in. No pin needed. It's little springy clips. Hold your GoPro. That footage at the beginning was just some, sandy trails. But now I'm going to hit into some, a little bit of hill climb and so on. Yeah, this is probably not for you guys that like to do all the mudding. Unless you're going through some really deep stuff, this would be great for that. I don't know how much mud I'm going to find out here today, but we'll see what it does. But this is like the type of trail ride I like. I like climbing. I like going up obstacles and stuff like that. So perfect for that. Deep mud, I probably wouldn't recommend it. I'd keep something higher, but let's get to some more trails.
Counting the lines on the highway, rolling by one, flying through the midnight rain like a bullet from a gun. I lay down, but I can't sleep, 'cause I still feel the band. Still on a high from the crowd and the lights, with a cold one in my hand, singing, here I go, down this road, another town, another stage. I wouldn't have it any other way. All I want is to sing my songs. Hearing that crowd keeps me going. Guitars are rocking, wheels are rolling. I step up, the lights go down. I hear that first chord ring. It's where I go and lose myself, forget about everything. It's my home away from home, hanging with my friends. It's a crazy life, but every night I get to do it again and again and again. Here I go, down this road, another town, another stage. I wouldn't have it any other way.
All right, guys, so that's some of the video from this. I mean, I've hit some of these trails pretty fast. Lots of bumps, everything else. This camera is still completely fine, stationary. Some pretty good shots, I think, there. These are some pretty good ruts out here in Citrus, about the best you're gonna find. But anyway, guys, don't be afraid to get out there by yourself. If you've got a winch and a strap, and you've got lots of trees around, you're good to go. Just don't do nothing stupid. Talk to you next time. This mount will be on my website. It's already there. Just follow the link in the description. Pick one up. Talk to you later.